Okay, so I'm going to step back a little bit so I can even see it, maybe. Yeah, it blends in pretty good. You can't necessarily see it the way that I want you to yet, but you can see how we have the blocks done. And so our next step is that we make our star border. So making this star is just going to be like what we did here. We're going to make our option 3s. We're going to cut some of them in half to do the 2 opposite sides, and then we're going to do some of them with that corner strip and put those on, so you know that will go really fast. And those are going to be our dark blue. So you can see how we have the red block and then with the black, and then we're going to come in with the Milky Way star. Now if you're making just a Milky Way star, it's kind of like a 9 patch, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, plain squares, color and background, and then the half square triangles. But we're not going to make it as a star. We're going to do it as a sashing. And so when the sashings come together, so see, here's a row of sashing, and then when the sashings come together, then it makes the star. So it will be red, black, black in our placement of our colors. I think it will turn out really pretty. And we're moving right along. So in the morning, on Tuesday morning, we're going to meet up at 11, and so 11 to 1. We'll work on our Milky Way stars. We'll show you how to do that, and then we'll give you a quick preview and rundown of that one at the end of class. We'll just see how much time we have left after the Milky Way stars. And that's it. That's all the steps. So, you know, really once you master this option 3 flying geese, just look at the possibilities that are available. We learned 4 patches. We learned option 3s. We learned how to do the corner squares as strips. We learned how to surround that block with a crown shape to create a more elaborate block. We're going to go in here and learn option 4, half square triangles. So just in this simple quilt, you've learned a lot of different steps, and but they're simple steps, and you've learned how to work with things when they're not exactly the way you want them to. It's going to happen every once in a while. It's just that human element, but we do as much as we can in the process of making our quilts so that when we do have a human element come in there, it doesn't ruin the project. It doesn't alter the integrity of the block or the beauty and the look of the block. So make sure that you tell your friends about Square and a Square. Make sure you sign up on our website, squareandasquare.com, with your email, or go into squareandasquare.net, our teaching website, and of course you sign in with your email. You can watch the free webinars, you can watch replays from this and in the morning, and that's where you find all of your classes at. The free webinar section, Quilt Club Week section, and then Premium Club. And this should be found in all of the avenues, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Quilt Club Week, Premium Club, the free webinars, this one and this morning and the one tomorrow will be in all of those because it's for everybody. So it's not shut off to, or not just turned on to certain people.